Welcome back, English learners. In today's video, you're going to hear a real-life daily conversation between two friends, Anna and David. They spend the day together, from having breakfast, to shopping, to chatting in the evening, and along the way you'll learn useful English phrases for everyday situations. Listen carefully, repeat the sentences, and notice how these phrases are used naturally in context. By the end of this video, you'll be more confident using English in your daily life. So let's dive in and enjoy the conversation. Meeting in the morning.
Hey David. Good morning. Did you wait long?
Not really. I just got here a few minutes ago.
Great. So, what's the plan for today?
Well, I thought we could grab some breakfast first, then maybe do a little shopping. What do you think?
Sounds good to me. Honestly, I'm starving. I barely had anything this morning.
Same here. There's a cafe just around the corner. Shall we go?
Sure, let's do that.
At the cafe.
Wow, this place looks cozy. Do you come here often?
Not really, but I've heard good things about it. By the way, do you want to sit by the window?
Yeah, that'd be nice. I like watching people pass by.
Me too. Okay, let's take a look at the menu. What are you getting?
I'm leaning toward the pancakes. They look delicious. How about you?
I might go with an omelet. I need something filling.
Good choice. And maybe we can share a pot of tea?
Sure, why not?
So, how's work these days?
Pretty busy, to be honest. We're working on a big project, so it feels like I never switch off.
I hear you. It's the same for me. Sometimes I feel like I'm just living at the office.
Exactly. That's why I really needed today to just chill.
Shopping together.
Okay, where should we start? Clothes or books?
Let's check out the clothes first. I actually need a new jacket.
Perfect. Oh, look at this one. Do you like it?
Not bad, but it's a bit pricey.
True. Maybe wait for a discount. By the way, do you want to try this on?
Yeah, why not? I'll be back in a minute.
Wow, that looks really good on you.
Really? I'm not sure if it suits me.
Trust me, it does. But no pressure, of course.
Thanks, I'll think about it. Let's keep looking around.
Evening walk.
Wow, the day flew by. Can you believe it's already evening?
Yeah, it feels like we just met up an hour ago.
True. But it was a good day. Thanks for hanging out.
No, thank you. I really needed this. We should do it again soon.
Definitely. Let's not wait too long next time.
Agreed. Alright, take care and get home safe.
You too. Good night.
Great job, everyone. You've just learned lots of useful daily phrases through a natural conversation. Which phrase was your favorite today? Drop it in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more daily English practice. See you in the next video.